The Go Rhino V3 side step is the first step to getting in and out of your lifted or stock vehicle. The V3 is a feature-packed step for any truck or Jeep. These steps are designed with a sleek and aerodynamic look. They are 5 inches wide with an ellipse shape to help with strength and durability. And this shape allows rain, snow, and slush to just roll right off, making sure that the surface is as safe as possible. If you look at the step pads, you can see they have a deep, multi-directional tire tread pattern. This lets the step itself drain rain or snow off the step to reduce the risk of slipping. With the shape and the style, the Go Rhino V3 side steps are shaped to fit about any build they are added to. The steps look great, but looks aren't everything. Go Rhino has made these steps to last. They are made from a corrosion-resistant aluminum and topped with a textured black powder coating. These together are enough to stop rust and corrosion from destroying your step. Each V3 has a dual-core, full-length extrusion that fortifies the board and gives it the strength to support up to 300 pounds per step. That's 600 pounds per side. Installing the Go Rhino V3 steps is an easy task. They should take around an hour to install. They mount directly to the V-Series V3 steel brackets, so there's no drilling or modification needed. If you're interested in purchasing the Go Rhino V3 side step or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to come back next week for more new product videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.